If you are looking for the best UV flashlight, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Escolite UV Flashlight Blacklight. When you're on a budget and need a black light flashlight that won't break the bank, the Escolite is the one for you. The handle is comfortable and the LED head is large. This has largely to do with necessity. This black light flashlight has 51 LEDs. The main handle is designed to be anti-slip. This light is waterproof, making it a viable accessory for any trip, even if you are hiking in Scorpion Country at night. This slides out and takes 3 AA batteries. Number 2. Vansky Flashlight Blacklight. This isn't one of those pocket-sized flashlights. With dimensions of 2.2 by 1.37 by 5.7 inches, it's substantial. It also weighs 0.5 pounds, so it isn't exactly lightweight either. However, the size does make for a very comfortable grip, and you won't be worried that it'll slip out of your hands. But just in case you are worried, there's a lanyard at the end, to add a bit of safety. The light that is emitted is at 395 nanometers, and each of the LEDs has an expected lifetime of up to 12 years, which is impressive. Number 3. Number 3. TaoTronics UV Blacklight Flashlights. At first glance, this stylish black UV flashlight looks much the same as any other flashlight. The handle is textured to ensure a good grip no matter what else you are doing. The flashlight measures 3.74 inches long with a diameter of 1.18 inches. This makes it perfect for carrying with you. You can easily slip it into a pocket or even attach it to your wrist using the wrist strap which comes with it. The flashlight weighs just 2.4 ounces and has 12 LEDs. Number 4. La Small UV Black Light Flashlight. It's very small, it's very lightweight, it performs great, and it is quite durable. The flashlight does have 2 grippy, textured surfaces. Holding it is very comfortable, and no, it does not slip out of your hands easily. The dimensions, for those who are curious, are a 3.7 length and a 1.18 width, which certainly qualifies as pocket-friendly. It also weighs less than 0.2 pounds, so you'll barely feel it there. You'll need 3 AAA batteries to power it. With 9 LEDs, all operating at 395 nanometers, it works great actually. Number 5. KOBRA UV Blacklight Flashlight. The KOBRA UV flashlight is the most powerful one on our list so far, with 100 LEDs. The KOBRA is much larger, especially in the head. The entire handle is textured, which adds quite a lot of grip and makes sure the flashlight stays in your hand. Moving on to the performance, as we mentioned, there are 100 LEDs in it. They result in a very wide beam, and one that is very powerful, thanks to the total 18 W of power. The wavelength is just right at 395 nanometers, and the LEDs have a life expectancy of 100,000 hours, which is very impressive.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.